Hey, so we are redoing our house after the tornado, and we got it painted, got new siding, got it painted, and we're about to put up some new shutters. So we are building our own shutters, and here's how it's done. These are 1x6s, and our windows are 53.5 inches. So I cut these down to size. These are 53.5 inch 1x6s. And you use 3 of them, and you just put them right up next to each other like that. Alright, and then what I want to do is make sure that each end is perfectly flush all the way across. And then what I'll do is get my side rails, and there's 2 side rails. They're 1x4s, and they're 53.5 inches as well, so it's the same height as your window. Alright, so we got 2 side rails, and just pull these good and tight, make sure they're even. Alright, and then these just go all the way down and all the way to the edge of the other board. So if you want to get like right here, it just goes flush with that side, just like that. Okay, so basically right now I'm just doing a pre-glue layout. And I do like to kind of sand some of these sort of rough edges just because you can't get to this later once you put these on. Be about like just gonna test fit and everything here. It's actually a little bit shorter than the other one for some reason. It's alright. Okay. Alright, so what I want to do first here is put some glue on this board. I'm just gonna nail this in. This is a real small nail, so you won't really be able to see this. I'm gonna screw it from the back as well, but. All right. Now I'll go ahead and start doing these middle pieces. Alright, now we'll go ahead and do this one. And these are pressure treated 1x4s. These small pieces, and they're just really the scrap. Alright, now here is a very important part. You want to make sure you get it very close to center. So just do that. Make sure we got 53.5. Half of 53 would be 27.5, and half of that would be 3/4. So 26 3/4 is the dead center of this. So I'll just kind of mark it there. Bring it over here. 26 3/4. Mark it here. kind of eye the center. And then what you can do is take a measurement. Just get it down. 21 3/8. And 21 3/8. Alright. Nail that. Sounds like a racetrack.
Yeah.
Check that square, make sure you get your right angle. Alright, and then we'll do our bottom piece. I love having this nail gun. I think it was about 120 bucks. Man, have I got my money's worth out of that thing. Some glue on there. This is going to be outside, so it'll help keep the moisture out too. Alright, and then we'll just get that in there.
It's not flush though.
It's not perfectly flush because I'd rather it be not perfectly flush. This is just a hair short. So I'd rather trim that later, possibly, than have to deal with these. Everything's nailed down, and it's really just the nails kind of hold it in place while I flip it over. So I'm gonna flip it over and put my screws in. I'm gonna make sure to put plenty of screws in. And then you have to do, so next we're going to do the center, and the same thing. I'm just going to measure the whole deal out. Here we got 53.5, so half of that is 26 would be 52, 26.5 would be 53, so half of that is 3/4. So 26 3/4 ought to be the center, which is where that board lives. So I'll just mark a couple spots here, 26 3/4. Make sure we get that center board screwed in. Alright, that's it. One shutter down.
That was fast. That looks great. That's awesome.
Not bad.
Yeah.
How long was that?
17 minutes.
Okay, so it takes me 17 minutes to build a shutter.
Uh-huh.
So I have 3 more, I think. Yeah, 3 more.
Yeah.
I should be done in an hour. Ooh, pretty.
nose.
Looks horrible.
Not too
Hand
bad.
down.
Not too bad.
Hand down. Okay, so that's perfect right there.